We have been trying to reach you concerning your vehicle's extended warranty. You should have received a notice in the mail about your car's extended warranty eligibility. However, since we have not gotten any response, we're giving you a final courtesy call before we close out your file. Hey everyone, this is Dr. Lowell Sala of NYC Emerging Healthcare Technology, your go-to place if you want to learn more about blockchain, machine learning, artificial intelligence, data science, and web development in healthcare. And also if you want to learn more about digital health or you just want to chill because damn it, it's a beautiful day and we all want to be loved, just love. Now if you haven't subscribed, please make sure to click the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so that you will be able to hear and see every time I upload new videos and new contents. Okay, so today's episode, we are going to talk about my latest tech acquisition, which is the Yeti Nano microphone. Now, it's really up to you because, the Mac and even the PC and even any laptop will have its own internal microphone. But of course, if you want something so much better and you can, be farther away from your PC or your Mac, then it's so much better to have your own external microphone, which is what I have. So right now I'm not yet connected and everything that you hear, the sounds that you hear are just using my Mac microphone. So, even with the Mac microphone, you can already make incredible videos actually without, using another external microphone. But an external microphone will make it so much easier. So right now I'm not yet connected and let's do that. Let us connect. So I wanted to show you this so that it makes it easier for you to connect, and then just put it here. So it's connected now. And the next part is showing you that you can add as well a headset. So you can use the Sony one, the noise cancelling Sony, which is so much better. But right now I have this headset in me and I wanted to use this one. So I will just connect it here. Okay. And another factor that I want to talk about is because this is not actually included. So you can use the USB-C connector because your Mac does not have a USB-C. So you can purchase the Insignia one, which is for laptop, notebooks, and other USB-C devices. But you also have the option to purchase it directly from Apple. So, just connect it this way and then directly connect it to your Thunderbolt port. Okay, so I hope you can hear me, and it's advisable not to speak very close or directly to your to your Yeti Nano microphone because it makes the sound so much blurring. Of course, you also have the option of adding filters, which makes your voice so much smoother, and that's also another option that you can get or you can do. So once you have your mic connected, the next thing is to go to your system preferences. So right now I am using Mac. And then you go to sounds. Then once you have sounds, you go specifically to output and make sure to click Yeti Nano for the USB, and that should do it. I hope you can hear me better, and that's just it. Thank you so much for listening, and again, if you haven't subscribed, please click that subscribe button. Bye everyone.